#MyForever, mga kapuso, kini ang gipamatud-an sa celebrity couple nga atong hinabion karon. Sayran ta ang relationship goals sa models, entrepreneurs, and actors, Mr. Ricardo Cepeda and Miss Marina Benipayo. Maayong buntag po, Sir Ricardo and Miss Marina. Welcome to GMA Regional TV Live.
Maayong buntag!
Maayong buntag sa inyong lahat dyan! And welcome to GMA Cebu Regional TV Live!
Yes, welcome po kayong dalawa dito. Kumusta na po kayo?
Okay kami, okay naman.
We are so fine.
We are very fine and sana din lahat kayo okay na okay.
Sir Ricardo, Miss Marina, #couple goals po talaga kayo. Kasi you both remain very youthful. You're such a gorgeous couple. I mean, I saw you when you were here in Cebu dati pa. And my gosh, how to be you po? Please share it with us. Ano yung mga sikreto?
Tawa lang na tawa.
Pero meron kaming kasi, I think we both have humor all the time. We always laugh about a lot of things. We try to see the bright side of everything. And parang...
Lalo na ngayon na, di ba, mula nung lockdown, tapos quarantine dito. Talaga it was a test for the two of us. And we realized, oh yeah, I can get stuck with you forever.
Parang buti na lang ikaw.
Buti na lang ikaw kasama ko.
How do you keep the relationship strong po after all these years?
When we met each other again, na-reunite kami, parang it just made it better.
Yes.
Na-cliche na completely.
I mean, naman, di ba, sabi ka nga sa usual, wala namang perfect relationship. But we think we are perfect for each other.
And nag-artista ako, so hindi kami nagkita for how many years. Nung nag-artista din siya, nagkasama kami sa isang teleserye.
Wow.
Hello, old friend lang eh. Pero there was no romantic ideas or anything.
Sinasabi ko nga lagi, pag tinatanong kami kung ano yung advice, di ba? Ang lagi ko sinasabi, yung one of the parang sa akin, no, number one pillar of relationships is expectations. You know, I mean, you decide to go into a relationship, kasama na lahat yun.
Ano po yung masasabi niyong best moment po na nangyari in your relationship so far?
Alam mo kasi kami, more of what we find our best things is when things happen to the kids. Yung parang si Joshua nagka-scholarship sa school, si Mark na tanggap sa PAO, the girls got their jobs. Parang natutuwa kami for the kids.
Yung mga best namin is actually whatever good happens, yung mga achievement ng mga anak namin. Hanggang ngayon nag-iisip pa rin ako ng best. Siguro, pag nag-uuwi siya ng chocolate,
Yum! Pwede. Or baka po pwede, ganito na lang po ang question. What do you think so far, what will be, ano pa yung best that is yet to come na mangyayari po sa inyo?
Senior citizenship?
Libreng movie?
Libre movie, tsaka popcorn?
Yes.
Actually, before quarantine and COVID, yun lang yung trip namin, yun lang yung date namin. Manunod kaming latest movie.
Time po, let's talk about your love for acting and your latest project together, ang Descendants of the Sun. Ano ang mga hinahanda niyo po para sa mga viewers natin?
Sa taping naman, because kailangan daw yung, may sinasabi sila yung wag masyadong babad sa certain area. So kailangan paspasan yung taping. So natapos namin yung 6 weeks of work, 6 weeks worth of episodes in 7 working days. Na normally, dapat ilang buwan yan. So, kailangan lahat ng artista, alam mo yung acting mo, alam mo yung lines mo, alam mo yung lahat ng gagawin mo, alam mo yung continuity mo, sunod-sunod.
Please thank and invite everyone po to watch Descendants of the Sun, ang mga bagong episode po. And of course, your social media accounts.
Salamat po sa suporta ninyo, sa panunood at pagsubaybay doon sa Descendants of the Sun. Nagpapasalamat kami lahat sa inyo.
Thank you so much po. Hope to see you soon here in Cebu.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you po. Hinaot mga kapuso nga na-inspire ka mo sa second chances at love nila ni Mr. Ricardo Cepeda and Miss Marina Benipayo. At tangiun niya ang latest project nila, ang Descendants of the Sun, the Philippine adaptation. And more stories pa sa pagbalik sa GMA Regional TV Live.